This plant-based supplement aids joint flexibility and comfort, providing daily support for knee and joint health without any animal-derived ingredients. Containing glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM, it helps maintain healthy inflammation balance while being suitable for a vegan lifestyle. This product offers 90 capsules that are shellfish-free, non-GMO, and formulated to promote cartilage and joint mobility effectively. Invest in your joint health with this vegan supplement, ensuring flexibility and comfort in your active lifestyle.
Yes.